creating Angular components by hand? You're doing it the hard way? Angular CLI automates the entire process with a single command. The Angular CLI provides an generate component command. You can use the full form or the shorthand NGC for speed. This is the official Angular command line interface tool, and it's your best friend for scaffolding. It handles all the boilerplate so you can focus on building features. The syntax is simple, NangGC followed by your component name. For example, NangGC my component. Angular CLI takes that name, converts it to the right casing, and creates your component with all the files you need. You can also use paths like NangGC features/user profile to organize components in folders. When you run the command, Angular CLI generates 4 files. First, the TypeScript component class file. Second, the HTML template. Third, the CSS or SCSS style sheet. And fourth, a spec file for unit tests. It also automatically registers your component in the nearest modules declarations array. Everything's wired up and ready to go. You can customize the output with flags. Use skip tests to skip generating the spec file if you don't need tests yet. Use inline style to put styles directly in the TypeScript file instead of a separate CSS file. Or use standalone to create a standalone component that doesn't need a module. These flags give you flexibility for different project needs. Bottom line, NangGC is your go-to command for creating Angular components fast. Master it, and you'll save hours of manual setup. Now go build something amazing. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.